So there are many places here that exchange cash, but a lot of them are scams. So this place, I learned from YouTube, is a place that we can trust. I love KFC. That Maddie wants to check out. Why, honey?
It's ice cream.
Because it's ice cream. He loves ice cream. That's very much worth the $2. But it's like, what do you want to pay $2 for? Ice cream or beer?
Ice cream.
Beer. I stole it from my husband. I bought a beer from the supermarket yesterday, but this is my first one actually out in town here in Prague. Let's go. Maddie's favorite thing to do when we tour. Woo! I'm busy. So this is like the National Theater. They used to have arcade games over here, maybe, but not anymore. Really cool though. How much is the udon? $6? There's pho noodles. Yeah, tomkas is only 65 crown. Korean noodles. I think today we're just on a mission to eat. Finally at an Asian place. How is it? Do you like it?
Good. Best different.
Yeah. It was worth trying once. This is a nice romantic stroll. It's a park, or like a one that we just randomly came across. I saw water fountains like this on YouTube, but my husband's saying I can't drink it, partially because there's a sign that has a big X on it, but hey, free water, right? Isn't this so romantic? Yeah. Prague is such a romantic city. It makes me fall in love with you all over again, honey. Awkward. Tonight's dinner is McDonald's. I couldn't help it. I'm loving it because it comes with beer here. Everywhere I go, like different countries that actually have beer, I have to get it. But except it's the first time that I'm having beer in a can at McDonald's. It's literally the can with a cup. And Maddie got a lot of things, so yay! Chips, 2 pastries, a milk, and a soda, all under $4. I've been wanting to drink milk since I got here. I just love other countries' milk so much better than our own. Cheers. This is a taste. Korean milk tastes like this too. Oh, so good. Definitely hit the spot.